Would you like to decorate a cute and cozy corner in your home? Well, keep on watching. Hi, it's Kay with Modest Me Designs. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do DIY projects, home decor, and home organization. Today I'm participating in the Fall Cozy Corner Challenge hosted by Arlynn from Arlynn's Country Craft Corner and Kim at Sweet Daisy Creations. For this challenge, they asked that we use a ladder, table, or basket. So here's my basket I thrifted. A plaque or a sign. So here's mine from the Dollar Tree. And some garland. So I took my basket downstairs where I have my craft table. I loaded it with floral foam and moss and added some tall leaves in the background. And then added this cute little scarecrow with his pumpkin. And then I added flowers and more flowers and more flowers. And then a few more cute scarecrows were added to the side. Next, I went to my bar cart and I added a table runner, which I got from Big Lots. And then I added the flower arrangement I had made. I love the little scarecrow. And then I added my picture and the candle. Now my plans were to roll my bar cart over into the corner, which you see. But when I went to move this heavy plant, it's really a tree, my back said I wouldn't do that if I were you. And so here you have my fall cozy corner right next to the corner. So I'm going to give you an opportunity to just see what I've done. And by the way, my garland is added in the back as filler for my floral arrangement. You'll see that when I get to the back. I would like to thank again Arlynn from Arlynn's Country Craft Corner and Kim at Sweet Daisy Creations for hosting the Fall Cozy Corner Challenge, even though mine is next to the corner. In the description box below, you'll see a link to the playlist for all the other participants of the Fall Cozy Corner Challenge. You don't want to miss it because there'll be some great ideas presented in these videos. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe because we have some more fall things coming your way as I'll be participating in more challenges in the coming weeks. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you again real soon.